In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the labels off the back of an Allen Bradley Panelview. First, we are going to heat up the back of the plastic to around 90 degrees Celsius. Don't heat the front of the label, you will damage it. Apply the heat slowly. Keep applying heat. Do not melt the plastic. Check the temperature. Make sure it is not too hot and not too cold. Keep heating up the plastic to be around 90 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Carefully. Use an X-Acto knife to lift a corner of the label. Try not to put your fingers on the sticky side of the label. If you have any problems, you can reach out to Monitech at any time. Just go to Monitech.com. Use the flat edge of the knife to slowly lift the label. Apply pressure with your fingers. Avoid twisting the label. Try to pull straight to avoid tearing. The label is going to try to curl. Do your best to keep it from sticking to itself. Use the straight line on the plastic as a guide to putting the label on straight. Keep your fingers off the sticky side of the label. Use your finger to press down hard. Press down on every part of the label. Focus a lot of effort into the corners. Now on to the next labels. Don't forget to heat it up. Follow the same process. Heat it up to 90 degrees. Use an X-Acto knife. Apply pressure with your fingers. Don't touch the sticky side of the label. That's it. It's very straightforward and simple as long as you follow the steps. Contact Monitech to get your replacement parts. Go to Monitech.com for your aftermarket panel view and other control parts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Monitech, leading name for industrial display solutions in the world market today. Proudly providing solutions for all your industrial display needs for hundreds of legacy controllers. Visit us at Monitech.com. Thank you.